So I have been joined by Ashish Dikshit, brother of Shubhanshu Shukla. Ashish ji, my question to you is, as Shubhanshu is right here at this platform where we are currently standing, how's the Josh?
Hi, and this is the same question. I think he copied you, Shubhanshu, because when he was addressing to this whole auditorium, his first question was to his all student, his all alma mater to his, how is the Josh? And he repeatedly asked, how is the Josh? So definitely very, very high, and you can see my throat. I have been, it's been choking and, all.
So you took the mic and was looking after the arrangements also, because a lot of students rushing towards Shubhanshu out here.
So I was trying to make them calm, and especially I was also, chanting for him. Good luck, Shubhanshu, and, welcome back.
Tell me about the moment when you met your brother Shubhanshu after a long time at the Lucknow airport.
So when I saw him, I just simply hugged him. And हमारे यहाँ लखनऊ में एक होता है ना गर्दा उड़ा दिए भाई बस वो बोला and he also said and I kissed him and then quickly he wrapped up.
What he said to that garda uda diya?
Bhai he smiled, he could not say anything. He said भैया just patted me. काम अपना हो गया.
When he met her mother after a long time, then what was the response from her?
No, for a really 15-20 seconds, she was holding him and he was crying like anything. But she was very, very emotional moment, and he was also hugging to her mother. And he was saying that you couldn't come to Delhi, but yes, now I have came. It will be all okay. So it's what a 1.5 year old, 1.5 year, it's being a time gap when they couldn't meet him.
Shuk's also emotional during that point of time?
He controls very much to his emotions. But yes, I can feel he was also emotional.
You guys met Kamna as well, wife of Shubhanshu, because it's also a sacrifice. We see what a man do, but a wife also waited. What could have been on her when Shubhanshu went to space? Did you guys speak to her?
Yeah, I speak to her, but we couldn't get enough time to speak to her. But I can understand the kind of sacrifice she has done, because a wife's support is like anything. Unless and until Shubhanshu could not reach to this height. So grand salute to her also.
Any word for Lucknow? The way victory parade went and.
Victory parade was like awesome, kind of crowd, kids came across, 50-60,000 people across, and they were cheering like anything. All across they were, showering flowers, all petals, rose petals. So it's tremendous, and it's being honored to our family, to him, what laurels he has brought to the nation.
Okay. So other family members are also here?
Yeah, other family members are also here. His sister, Chachi, Chacha, and in-laws, everyone is here. Yep.
So you see Shubhanshu Shukla at another frame. He's speaking to the media persons, while on the other hand, we showed you what the brother Ashish Dikshit has to say about Shubhanshu Shukla. And yes, he is excited, and it was a teary-eyed moment for the mother who waited for his son for long to come back to earth, and especially a place where he was born, Lucknow. With cameraman Sandeep Subbe, Samarth Srivastava for India Today.